Hey YouTubers, this is Drone Wolf 1, and I'm going to show you something that's from the Sonic franchise. The Tornado. Yeah, here it is. You can actually see the rockets on the bottom, the propeller, wings are usually the same classic color. So I take it to the back, and you can actually see the Miles Tails Prower. Sorry, the Tails icon up there, even though it's actually not the best one you've seen. Yeah, there's also this right here, the original landing gear. They're not the original positions, but apparently, yeah, I usually just put them wherever. Let's take her for a little flight. As you can see, she handles really well. There's also some little bad guy back here. And yeah, I just wanted to show it to you guys. Oh, and on skits, I know you. Ow. Backwards fail. Well, you get the point. Wait.